Macaws are a group of 17 species of spectacularly colorful parrots from South and Central America and Mexico. Most of them are large birds, would have long, tapering tails. They are known for their great intelligence and playfulness. Macaws are long-lived and often kept as pets. Description of the macaw. Macaws are stocky birds with a large head, a thick, strong beak and a long tail relative to their body size. The macaw species are sometimes divided into two groups, the large macaws and the mini macaws. Interesting facts about the macaw. Macaws are highly intelligent animals that constantly investigate their environment, often with their tongues. They are also highly social animals. These characteristics make for some interesting facts about macaws. First point, self-medication. Some macaws gather in large numbers at clay licks which they eat. It is believed this helps their digestion. Second point, mimicry. Macaws can mimic the human voice, but are not good talkers, and other noises in their surroundings. Third point, monogamy. Macaws are one of the few animals known to have the same breeding partner for their entire lives. The pair often share their food with one another to strengthen the bond. Fourth point, tongue. The tongue is used to explore objects in the environment and to extract food items. To help with this, the tongue contains a series of bones. The hyacinth macaw has a black tongue with bright yellow stripes. Habitat of the macaw. Macaws use a wide range of habitats, depending on the species. Most live in forests, rainforests, or woodland, but some species prefer the more open savanna-like areas. Distribution of the macaw. In the wild, macaws mainly live in Central America, Mexico, and South America. Because they are kept widely as pets, in captivity they are found worldwide. Diet of the macaw. Macaws are omnivorous. Their main food sources are fruits, nuts, and seeds, but sometimes they will eat insects and snails. Macaws and human interaction. Macaws are very popular as pets, but unfortunately, there is a large black market for some of the rarer species, which contributes to their endangered status in the wild. Furthermore, some of their natural habitats are being destroyed by deforestation and habitat degradation. Native humans sometimes hunt macaws for their bright and vivid feathers, which they use as decoration. Domestication. Several species of macaws have been bred to create hybrids with desirable colors and patterns. This means that some species at least have been domesticated. Does the macaw make a good pet? Thousands of macaws are kept as pets, many of which are wonderful, playful pets for their owners. However, some macaws can become a one-person bird and develop a habit of very painfully biting anyone who is not this person. They can also be quite disruptive if they develop a habit of screeching. Macaw care. Macaws are a highly intelligent bird and constantly investigate their surroundings. They must be given a stimulating, changing environment and plenty of attention from their owners. They enjoy chewing very much and should be provided with lots of fresh non-toxic tree branches or other suitable items. Behavior of the macaw. Macaws are very social animals. Soon after becoming adults, they form pairs and then join a flock, usually of about 30 individuals, but sometimes as many as 100. The flock members communicate with each other by a wide range of squawks, screeches, whistles, and honks. These vocalizations are also used to identify their partners and as a way to mark territory. Flocks are active during the day and often fly long distances to search for food. Reproduction of the macaw. Reproduction details vary between the species. The following represents scarlet macaws. The female lays 2 to 3 eggs, usually in a tree cavity, where they incubate for about 5 weeks. The chicks fly from the nest approximately 90 days after hatching, and then leave their parents completely about a year later. Scarlet macaws become sexually mature at about 5 years of age. Macaw interesting facts. First one. What type of animal is a macaw? A macaw is a bird from a family of parrots. Second one. What class of animal does a macaw belong to? Macaws belong to class Aves, which means they are birds. Third one. How many macaws are there in the world? The number of surviving macaws in the wild depends on the individual species of macaws. For example, macaw species such as the Spix's macaw is extinct in the wild. The blue-throated macaw has 50 to 249 individuals left. The scarlet macaw is in abundance. The red-fronted macaw has 134 to 272 birds left globally, and the hyacinth macaw has around 4,300 living mature individuals. Next one. Where do macaws live? Macaws mostly live in tropical rainforests. Besides the forest, the macaw habitat may also include grasslands and semi-desert regions. Next one. What is a macaw's habitat? Most macaw species are found in North America, Central America, and South America. Earlier, macaws were found in the Caribbean as well. Macaws primarily inhabit tropical rainforests, but even within the forest, the habitat of macaws varies with the species. For example, while red-bellied macaws prefer swampy areas and palm groves, the scarlet macaws can be spotted in the lowlands. On the other hand, the hyacinth macaw flips between habitats that may include palm forests, canopied rainforests, and grassy marshes. Macaws nest in the holes and crevices of trees. Next one. Who do macaws live with? Macaws usually live in large flocks of 10 to 30 individuals. They may also be found living in family groups or pairs. Pet macaws are like companion parrots and are well suited for co-inhabiting with humans. Next one. How long does a macaw live? Even though the lifespan of macaws depends on the species, they are known to live for an average of around 60 years in the wild. Next one. How do they reproduce? Macaws are known to mate for life, that is, the birds of a mating pair stick together until one of the mates dies. Breeding is seasonal, and usually occurs about once a year. Depending on the species, a female macaw may lay around 1 to 4 eggs in nests built inside holes and crevices of trees. The eggs are mostly incubated by the mother, and the father is responsible for foraging and bringing food to the mother and the chicks. The macaw offspring are born with their eyes shut with a sparse covering of feathers, and are taken care of by both the parents. The chicks do not grow their plumage until they are about 10 weeks old. Next one. What is their conservation status? The rampant pet trade and habitat loss have put several macaw species at risk of being endangered or totally extinct. Hence, all species of macaws fall under the ambit of conservation efforts, and accordingly, they have been included on the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species. Currently, 9 species of macaws are of least concern, 2 are vulnerable, 1 is near threatened, 3 are endangered, and 2 are listed as critically endangered. So, today we are talking about full details about macaw. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.